What's up, guys? So we're gonna go, and I've been talking to a guy. So he had it listed for 20 bucks. It's an Apple Time Machine router NAS thing. We're gonna go pick it up. It's in Bolton, so it's a half-hour drive. We're gonna go pick it up. We're gonna go back to my dorm, and we might upgrade it and put an SSD in it instead of a hard drive. But I don't know yet, so let's get going. Okay, so according to the GPS, we are 800 feet away. So it's right after this road. He said, I think he said it's like in the mailbox or something. So that's cool. Which one is it? I don't know. Oh, I just passed it. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna turn around and then we'll go there. Okay, so he said he was gonna leave it in a bag with an envelope. Yep. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's the envelope. I didn't realize how big this thing is. This thing's massive. But, yeah, so this is exactly what it looked like in the pictures. It's, like, super clean. Okay. And power cable's in the bag, so I put the money in the envelope for him. Like he wanted. Okay. And he said just put it in between the two doors, so we're just gonna do that. Leaning up against there, and I'm gonna take a photo so I can send it to him. Okay, so we got it. It's freaking way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So we're gonna go back to my dorm and we're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna see what it's all about. So yeah, at this point, guys, we're just gonna set the GPS and then we're going back. So we are back, guys, and I have the time machine right here in this bag. So first glance, it's massive. Like, I thought this was going to be the size of an Apple TV, maybe a little bigger. This is it compared to my iPhone 10. Yeah, it's massive. But the more impressive thing is, it's in pristine condition. Like, it's still, like, very shiny. Yeah, it's got fingerprints on the top, on the shiny metal Apple logo. But, like, that's to be expected. But, like, it's in really good shape. And I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. But, so I am going to factory reset this. I don't know if it's already been done, but we're going to reset this. We're going to hook it up. So I currently have it connected to the wall and to power. The light is still yellow, so let's figure out what the hell this means. I probably have to reset it. So I'm looking at my MacBook, and this new Wi-Fi network just showed up, Airport Time Capsule. So, and I have Airport Utility open on this screen, so let's set this thing up. And then this is 2 terabytes. So this is probably going to replace my 4 terabyte drive that's connected to that computer with the Windows share. Because of the fact that if this is directly connected, then this will make my life so much easier. So I got to set this up, so give me a second. It just wants a network name, a base station name, and then a password. So hang on. So now that we are we've got a network set up with the password. We're going to click next. So it's going to create a network. So that's because I have it plugged into the wrong port. So I'm going to just switch it so that this is plugged into the WAN port, because plugging it into the WAN port will connect it to the wall. We're going to try it again. I'm not going to have a guest network. The light on the front of it is blinking quite a lot, so that's okay. Okay, and it's set up, so we're gonna click done. So let's figure out why we're blinking. So I'm sharing, I'm gonna wipe this disk. Yep, you're gonna wipe it. Okay, guys, so last night I transferred everything from my 4 terabyte drive over to the airport. We can actually see it's plugged in right here. The other thing I did is, so I just hooked it directly to the wall, because if you guys remember from my video where I showed you guys my dorm, I had a network switch, which, you know, it worked fine. It took from the wall in, and then it split it to the computer and to the router. But I'm proud to say that is no longer there. I took out the switch because the airport is its own switch. It goes straight from the wall into the airport, and then from the airport over to the computer. So that makes it so much easier. I don't have to run 6 cables. I've only got 1 Ethernet cable running all the way over to the computer. So that makes it so much easier. And the other thing, I haven't had to enter a single Wi-Fi password because it was set up on my MacBook. It saved my iCloud account. The only device that I've had to re-enter that Wi-Fi password was my Roku, but that's to be expected because it's not an Apple device. So honestly, this was a really good $20 purchase, and thanks again. This, like, to me, this is gonna make a big difference because I've just had external storage devices hooked up to a computer with a Windows share, and it hasn't always been reliable, and it hasn't always been this, and it hasn't always been that, and the computer has to be running for it to be on. This makes a huge difference because this is always running. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like if you like this video. Click up here to subscribe. Click up here to watch my last video. And subscribe to my Patreon if you guys want to help support me to do more interesting stuff like this. So until next time, guys, peace.